Exercise 7.3. Triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. The vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that triangle ABC congruent to ACD. This is the figure. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC and BDC are two isosceles triangle. A and D, AD produce 2 at the point P. So first we have to find the congruent triangles ABD and ACD. Next ABP and ACP. Third is AP bisects angle A as well as D. And fourth is AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. The question number 1. ABC, ABC and ADC are two isosceles triangle. AD produced to the point P. This is a line. AP produced to P. First we have to find the congruency in triangle ABD and ACD. Okay. First one, in triangle ABP and triangle ACD. ABD and triangle ACD. Okay. First, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, AB equal to AC. And BDC is also an isosceles triangle. Therefore, BD equal to CD. And third, AD equal to AD common. Okay. First, AB equal to AC. Given BD equal to CD. Given because these are the sides of an isosceles triangle. And third, AD equal to AD common. Therefore, triangles ABD congruent to triangle ACD by which property? Side, side, side. SSS. And by these two congruency, we can find the angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCD. BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCD. Next question, ABP. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. See here. AB equal to AC. ABP. AP common. AB equal to AC, AP common, and third one is angle BAP equal to angle CAP by the above congruent part, corresponding part of congruent triangles. BAD equal to CAD, so we can say that angle BAP equal to angle CAP. Number 1, AB equal to AC, given. Next, AP equal to AP, common, and third is angle BAP equal to angle CAP. We can say that by the CPCT of triangles, congruent triangles AB, D and ACD. Therefore, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by SAS. SAS means side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Number 3. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. So first we have proved that angle BAP equal to BAD equal to CAD. It means bisects. Again ABP yani angle BAP equal to angle CAP. Therefore AP AP bisects angle A and angle D. ABP. Angle D is also, we can prove angle in triangle BDP and CPD. देखिए, by congruencing BPD and CPD, BD equal to CD given, DP common and ABP congruent is, therefore BP equal to CP. Therefore angle BDP equal to angle CDP. Now we have to prove the first congruency of triangles BDP and CDP. In triangle BDP and triangle CDP, BD equal to CD given, second DP equal to DP common, and third point BP equal to CP by the CPCT of above triangles, by CPCT of above triangles. Therefore triangle BDP congruent to triangle CDP by SSS criteria. Therefore angle BDP equal to angle CDP by CPCT. By CPCT, therefore AP bisects angle A and angle D also. Fourth part, AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisectors means BP equal to CP and angle P, angle APB, APC are equal to 90 degree. So first we have to prove that BP equal to CP by the CPCT, and angle APB equal to angle APC by CPCT. And the sum of these two angles APB plus angle APC equal to 180 degree by linear pair. By linear pair. If these two angles are equal, therefore each angle equal to 90 degree. It means AP is perpendicular on BC. Hence proved. Question number 2. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC, so that AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AD is perpendicular on BC. Altitude, AD is altitude on BC. AB equal to AC given, this common and angle each are 90 degree. We have to prove AD bisects BC. It means BD equal to CD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB equal to AC given, AD equal to AD common, and third angle ADB equal to angle ADC. AD is perpendicular on BC. It means 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by RHS. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. RHS property is right angle. The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. It means hypotenuse AB and AD common by the RHS. Therefore, BD equal to CD by CPCT. It means AD bisects BC. Next, AD bisects angle A. It means angle BAD equal to angle CAD, also by CPCT. Now you can say the AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A. Proved. Question number 3. Two sides AB, BC and median AM of the triangle ABC are respectively equal to the PQ, QR and the median PN of the triangle PQR. Show that ABM congruent to PQN and ABC congruent to PQR. These are the two triangles in which AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AM equal to PN. So we have to prove the triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQM, we are comparing these two triangles. AB equal to PQ given. AB equal to PQ given. Next, AM equal to PN. This is also given. And third, BC equal to QR. Therefore, BM equal to QN. Half of equal sides. If BC equal to QR, then half of the BC. Okay. M is the midpoint of BC and N is the midpoint of QR. Median is the line joining the opposite vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN by SSS. And third is ABC congruent to PQR. Same. AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT of above triangles. If these two triangles are congruent, therefore B equal to Q. Now you can write angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you can write on AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to PQR by SAS. Okay, next question. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence condition, prove that the triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. ABC is a triangle in which BE and CF are two triangles. Okay. BE and CF are the two equal altitude. Okay. So we have to prove the AB equal to AC. In triangle BCF and triangle CBE. Okay. The altitudes are equal given. BE equal to CF given. BC equal to CB common base. Next, angle BFC equal to angle CEB 90 degree. These are the two altitudes. Therefore, triangle BCF congruent to triangle CBE by RHS. RHS means right angle के opposite side BC are hypotenuse, side is BC altitude and 90 degree. And angle B equal to angle C by CPCT. If the two angles of any triangle are equal, then the opposite sides are also equal. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. The last question, ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular on BC so that angle B equal to angle C. Easy question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle means AB equal to AC. And AP is perpendicular on BC. AP is perpendicular. Then show that angle B equal to angle C. Very easy question. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. AB equal to AC given, and angle APB equal to angle APC 90 degree, and AP equal to AP common. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C by CP CT. Okay. Thank you.